What is going on, Shib Army? It is Ahmed, and I am back today with yet another video for you all. And today we're going to talk about Shiba Inu and where it is headed by the end of 2021. I know earlier this year I made a December 31st, 2021 price target, and I still hold to that. The return to all-time highs is imminent, and I think we're going to go even above and beyond with all the catalysts that are on the way, and the overall the global cryptocurrency market sentiments are looking really, really positive. Now guys, before I continue on, I do want to mention that I'm not a financial advisor. Rather, I always try to put you guys on the plays that I'm in. And one thing I want to make sure you guys do is join the army. Join the Shib Army, join the YourPOP community by hitting that subscribe button right down below. And also, like the video so we can get it out to more people and break that YouTube algorithm. For every like that you guys have been giving, it really is helping spread the word of Shib and why this community is ever growing, and it's going to be poised for success moving forward. Currently sitting at 773 Satoshi units. Every single day, we're seeing a little bit of higher lows and higher highs before the previous day, if you will. So again, at 770 Satoshis, things are looking good. We're looking forward to breaking that 950 or 1,000 Satoshi unit mark. We need to delete that zero, hopefully sooner rather than later, leading up to the NFT drop and the Shibarium integration, the new blockchain that is coming out for the Shiba Inu ecosystem. Those two things are going to help us accelerate in terms of price action. It's going to help us hopefully see that parabolic price action that we've been awaiting and looking forward to. But again, some things have to happen before that occurs, and that is the continuation of seeing the number of holders increase, the number of investors coming in, because now Shiba Inu is listed on all the platforms that we were looking forward to, except for Robinhood. And that's going to happen hopefully sooner rather than later, as Robinhood is getting ready to release their wallets and new cryptocurrencies that are going to be tradable on their platform. Also guys, always trying to give you opportunities for free money at all times. And of course with Webull, through October 13th, an extension has been made for the YourPOP community to get 2 free stocks when you deposit 1 cent into your Webull brokerage account. So take advantage. Take this time to just pause the video, click the link in the description. It should be that first link there. Click it, deposit 1 cent, create your account, get 2 free stocks. $13 at the very minimum, $2,300 at the very maximum. And I've seen recently someone who messaged me and said, I was able to actually get Procter & Gamble stock and someone got a Starbucks stocks, which are a few $100s, which is something that you can't be mad about. And also there's a link down there for BlockFi. Get up to $250 worth of free Bitcoin when you deposit money into your BlockFi account. Some really cool things that they offer on there. Now, the overall market is looking fantastic. Look at the 7-day chart. The 7-day chart for everything: Ethereum up 19% nearly, Bitcoin up almost 13%, BNB almost up 24%. On the day, everything is green. This is what we were expecting for the bull run for October, November, and December. And that's why we're going to talk about the Shiba Inu price action by the end of the year. So make sure you guys stick with me and let's watch through the end of the video. Now, for Bitcoin, the fear and greed index, because Bitcoin is the mother of all. We follow what Bitcoin does, at least temporarily, until we hopefully become our own entity sooner rather than later. But you guys saw when the market was at 20, a lot of fear, a lot of selling. What was I telling everyone? When they panic, we pounce. We loaded our bags. For those of you who did, congratulations, because now we're getting ready to see the success of loading up your bag during the dip as the overall market becomes more neutral, where it is right now, 54 out of 100, heading towards greed. And we're going to hopefully see more and more greed come in. Because when there's a lot of greed, that's the time where we got to start being a little bit more cautious, but we got to be happy with the gains that we're going to make along the way. So I'm always putting you guys on the plays, of course, that I'm in. And so again, with that comes a lot of responsibility and letting you guys know when is the time to maybe take profit, when is the time to take some off the top. And when the opportunities comes about, I'll definitely announce those things. And I always do so for the YouTube channel members and the Patreon members. So there's a link down there for Patreon if you want to join me on there. And I appreciate everyone who already has. Now, the things that we're looking forward to for Q4, October, November, December 2021. I know I've mentioned these things already, but the NFT drop, that's going to be huge for Shiba Inu. And I'm hopeful by the time the NFT drops, which could be as soon as this weekend, maybe the next week, we're going to see some new investors coming into the space. Because right now, the numbers you guys have to focus on is look at the people that have Shiba Inu on their watch list, meaning that they're ready to pounce. They're ready to buy when they find the opportunity to do so. 1.1 million individuals. Look at the amount of holders right now for Shiba Inu. 672,000 people currently hold it. That means about half of the people that have Shiba Inu on their watch list have already invested. That means we have another 600,000 individuals that are waiting to buy in for the right time. Maybe that's after the layer 2 is released. Maybe that's after the NFT drops. Maybe that's after Robinhood lists. We don't know what catalyst they're awaiting, but we know there's a lot of potential investors that are out there. So make sure you understand we are all early. We are all very, very, very early, believe it or not. And again, we've been talking about SHIB since May when there was even less than 100,000 holders for this token. And I've held my conviction, and so have you, because you all give me the conviction that I have. The positive comments, the positive social media sentiments that I see all around Shiba Inu. Yes, some negativity here and there, but let the bad balls, do what they want to do. But the good ones, the ones that are really just putting out the positivity, the fact that we're so decentralized, the fact that we have all these things coming up. And of course, with Shibarium, I think, again, that's the big thing that we need to pay attention to right now. And before the launch of Shibarium, if we can break a zero and consolidate around 1,000, oh boy, my goodness, what we would probably see before the end of the year, guys, is that return to all-time highs at the very minimum. And I'm talking 3,600 to 4,000 Satoshi units. That's a 6x potential from the current price action. 6x potential, 5 to 6x. That's not something that we could take lightly. 500% gains in our favorite crypto asset, that's not something that we could take lightly. So again, with L2 coming out, the layer 2 blockchain, an innovative blockchain with Shibarium, allowing us to pay less gas fees if we're utilizing SHIBASWAP. Shibarium is Shiba's own blockchain. Our team has begun working with it, as Shytoshi quotes, and I quote Shytoshi here, at X Fund to complete this project. There's a large team assigned to completing this in a timely fashion. It is no easy task to create a working blockchain, but we believe we will complete this task this year as it fits in with the other interlocking components of the ecosystem. Big thing that we need to focus on is Shytoshi loves to deliver. But the thing that we need to make sure we're understanding is this year, they said. They want to complete the L2 Shibarium blockchain by the end of this year. So that means in the next 3 months, we're going to see Shibarium launch. But the NFT drop is going to happen prior to. So again, everybody, make sure you're understanding what's going on in the market and identify, is this a crypto asset that you want to buy in? I know on my channel, I have a lot of bias as an investor, but I try to give you guys the lens of anybody, right? There's somebody that has, a lot of different crypto assets in their portfolio. Not too many, probably about 10 or 15, but also understanding why I'm so bullish on this. Always do your own research. Always do your own due diligence and identify, is this something I want to buy into? Because for me, obviously it is. I have over 5, 6, 7,000 US dollar equivalents in Shiba Inu, which is not a small bag, in my opinion. For you, it might be for some of the whales, but I put my money where my mouth is. And based off my buying power, it's one of my biggest holdings. And I'm proud to say that. I say that with again, conviction and the mindset that I'm holding till it reaches where I want it to go. Thank you all so much for tuning in, guys. You have been nothing but phenomenal in terms of your support. So thank you all so much. Make sure you check out those links in the description. Smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and share the video. I don't ask you guys to share much, but go ahead and share the video so it can get out to more people. And that's all I had for you. Until next time, everybody, keep investing. Peace.